I'm going to review how to submit an assignment so that I can receive an email notification and the grade is recorded. Keep in mind that my screen might look slightly different from a student's screen, but the gist is the same. So the assignments that I upload to Classroom, they can click on, and then it should take them to the correct assignment as long as they're logged into Conjuguemos. If it initially does not and says that they cannot access the assignment, the student should go back to Conjuguemos, log in, and then return to Classroom, click on the link for the activity again, and then it should take them to the activity. So I'm going to click on an activity. We'll just click this one here. Should look something like this for the students as well. We'll click Graded Practice, and then start the graded practice. Now, all of the answers must be filled in with something in order for a grade to even generate. I'm going to just fill in a few. I'll just do the top 3 here. And the rest I'm just going to fill in with any character. Okay, now if all of the answers are filled in correctly, or even incorrectly, it will provide feedback. So if I hit check answers, you'll see that I scored a 20% and I have 12 incorrect answers. It says that I can correct them and hit check answer again, and that is true. So I can just hit cancel there, come back through, and I can revise my answers, go through and change each one. 85% is usually what I recommend for students to achieve. It never hurts to go back and get 100%. That's just more time spent practicing the skill and trying to understand it. Once you have it, obviously, to your satisfaction, the grade to your satisfaction, just hit check answers, hit record score, and it will go through to my email. My screen, again, looks maybe slightly different from how theirs looks, at least on this page. But that is all you have to do. I should receive an email from that. And I also should be getting the grades recorded here in a list form.